Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this match cut text effect in Davinci Resolve. So here what you need to do is just add photos or a screenshot like this which consists of a same word that you want to match cut. And after that you need to make it as short as possible like this. You can see it's only a few seconds here. And now what you need to do is click on this effects right here and click on the search column and just find the solid color in here. Okay, this one's right here. You can just drag it in the bottom layer like this. You can just add it. Okay, so after you add the solid color here, you can just change the color to the color that you want. For example, I'm going to use red in here. Click on OK, and under the settings you can scroll down and change the composite into color. Okay, now in here you can click on the first clip or screenshot, and after that you can just zoom in. You can zoom to the word that you want to highlight in here, and here click on this to move the screenshot. For example, I'm going to just find the word. Okay, so in here I'm going to use this one, and now you can click on this color and change the size so that it fits into the word. Okay, like this for example. Now you can just do the same with the next screenshot. So here you need to zoom in again like the first one, and then click on this box right here again to move it so that it fits into the word. Click on the next one now and do the same. So just repeat these steps until all of this is finished. Okay, so after you finish, this will be the final result for the match cut text effect. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.